Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Chase online banking. So you're going to need a couple of stuffs for that. The first, of course, you're going to need a Chase account. So you must have a Chase check-ins or savings or a credit card or other eligible account types. And then of course you must provide a valid identification. It could be your driver's license, it could be a passport. You gotta have at least something. And now if you meet those criteria, just go on to setting up Chase online banking. What you got to do is to go to the Chase website and then click on sign up now in the top right corner, and then just enter your account information, including your Chase account number, social security number, and other required information, and then just create a username and password for your online banking account. And then you got to answer security questions to help verify your identity. And then once you're done with that, just review the online banking terms and conditions and agree to them. Of course, you got to do that. And once you're done with all of that, just submit your application and wait for Chase to review and approve it. Now, when it comes to setting up Chase mobile banking, what you want to do is to download the Chase mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices, or you could get that from the Google Play Store for Android devices. And then just log into your online banking account using your username and password. And then you just got to set up mobile banking. Now you just got to follow the prompt to set up mobile banking, including setting up a mobile banking PIN or fingerprint authentication, and that's going to help you to get that done. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.